Hey boys, we got a good day at Airsoft, and I forgot to record any of it. So, looks like we're just doing pistol 1v1s with the boys. We got Aiden, Berry Boy, we got Jericho, Ghost Daddy. Wait, isn't that me? I can't remember. We got Johnny. Yeah, we got Habib, the happy camper. And this time we got Kendrick Lamar. Yo. Yeah.
Pull it through the. Are you dumb?
This is our friend Aiden, and he is extremely fun to bully in Airsoft. So, we thought we'd mag dump him. Yo,
I'm asking you to pull the hood. No,
no, you're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb.
Through the straps, dingus.
As you can see, our IQ is goated. You're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb. I am not a clickbaiter. So when we say this kid's gonna get mag dumped, we mean it.
The bets were correct. CJ did win. Now everyone pay up $100.
I like Airsoft.
I like Airsoft too. Yeah. Shine the light. Shine the light. Get down. Get on the ground.
Underneath.
Okay, I'm on the ground. Jericho, you got like 500 RPS on that thing. Holy crap. You shot me the thigh, Jericho. Okay, Jericho, that gun's illegal. That gun's illegal. Sorry, a freaking nutsack.
Yo, boys, let me make sure we're recording.
No, the hostage thing was
The bullets are coming off. I still got like 10 in here. Your thighs are looking pretty juicy.
I know I got the
Shine the light. Shine the light, Habib. Habib.
I don't have a light. Here, Jericho, turn it off. Turn it off. Weapons down, weapons down, weapons
Oh,
down.
things are heating up. Things are heating up. Oh.
Mags out, mags out, mags out.
Okay,
I
give me
just
that, give
dropped
me
one
that.
too.
Aiden, we're taking you into custody.
There's one on the ground.
Aiden, we are taking you into custody. Go pick that up. Get him on the ground. Lay down flat on the ground. Flat on the ground.
I'm not getting flat on
Get on the ground. Shoot him. Shoot him.
Where you freaking idiots?
I was on the ground, you baby.
Get him on the ground.
Now start mooning it. No.
Lay your hands above your head where I can. Me being in charge of this prank did not see how this could backfire on me. See him.
Gray, get on the ground.
No.
Get on the ground, Gray.
No.
Yeah, Gray.
Oh, no. Hey, no shooting from right there.
He's the one with the GoPro too. Get on the ground.
No.
Get on the ground.
Oh, hey.
Start mooning.
No.
That was hilarious.
Yo, that content was insane. Yo, subscribe for more content like that. Also, you might want to stick around for this last clip, as it's pretty funny too.
You know, a bit sketchy. He's got the gun up.
Hey, Kendrick, I want my gun back. Yo, Kendrick, I need my gun back. A little sus. Yo,
Grab the gun. You trying to grab the gun, Bo.
It's my gun. It's my gun.
Get on the ground
It's my gun.
On the ground.
It's my gun.
On the ground.
Why again? Yo, can we stop? Actually, can we actually stop?
DJ, you got the gun up, bro.
Oh, guys, this is getting a little chaos. Yo, some kid's about to get mag dumped.
Stop it. We're good.
Yo, some kid's about to get mag dumped. Hey.
Keep him down.
Hey, guys, confirmation shot?
No.
Confirmation shot?
That hurt. No. Ow.
Hey. Okay, fine. Ow, that hurt. That hurt. Stop. That hurt.
Oh,
No one shoot anyone anymore. Enough of the shooty.
No, I think his head in. I think his head in. We've all had enough.
Yeah.
Guns down.
No.
Yeah, Jericho needs some.
Jericho needs some milk. Ow, head. I'll be shooting. Jericho. Great title, Airsoft prank gone wrong.